They realize it after a while.
Finally, the emaciated form of her infant lies deathly still. Then, with a gesture so human it's painful to watch, she seems to bid her baby farewell with a kiss. If chimps share with us the emotions that bring us to tears, perhaps they share others as well. Jane Goodall wonders.
Do chimpanzees feel perhaps a sense of awe, similar to that which must have led to the first religions of our ancestors? Worship of fire, of sun, of rain. Worship of rushing water that is always coming, always going, yet always here.
Face to face with our nearest relations. Our mutual family history is glorious and tender. As humans, though, we are distinct and must choose how our own nature is expressed. But it's clear that for good or ill, we are part of nature. Just another of its promising but flawed creations. Through the study of the chimps, science, which once strove to set us apart from the rest of nature, has now brought us back within its fold, discovering this mind in the forest.
What grabs you is when you feel that there's an animal out there that has a human-like mind, that can solve problems, that has extraordinary social relations, and has got this beginnings of the diversity of culture. It's when we see into the mind of the chimps that we get that strange tingle. What it means in a deep way is that as long as these chimpanzees are surviving, humans are in touch with their ancestry, and we know